This is USMLE QA, USMLE material presented in a question and answer format structured similar to the first aid for the USMLE Step 1 book.
Question: what is the function of alanine aminotransferase? Answer: the function of alanine aminotransferase is to carry amino groups to the liver from muscle. Question: what is the function of pyruvate carboxylase? Answer: the function of pyruvate carboxylase is to create oxaloacetate, which can be used to replenish the TCA cycle or in gluconeogenesis. Question: what is the function of pyruvate dehydrogenase? Answer: the function of pyruvate dehydrogenase is to facilitate the transition from glycolysis to the TCA cycle. Question: what is the role of lipoic acid in pyruvate metabolism? Answer: lipoic acid is a cofactor of pyruvate dehydrogenase and plays a role in the transition from glycolysis to the TCA cycle. Question: what is the function of lactic acid dehydrogenase? Answer: the function of lactic acid dehydrogenase is to catalyze the conversion of lactic acid to pyruvate, which marks the end of anaerobic glycolysis. This process is important in the RBCs, WBCs, kidney, medulla, lens, testes, and cornea. Question: in which tissues or cells is the lactic acid dehydrogenase pathway the major source of energy production? Answer: the lactic acid dehydrogenase pathway is the major source of energy production in RBCs, WBCs, kidney, medulla, lens, testes, and cornea. Question: what is the role of B vitamins in pyruvate metabolism? Answer: B vitamins, specifically B1, B2, B3, B5, and B6 are required as cofactors for enzymes involved in pyruvate metabolism, such as pyruvate dehydrogenase and pyruvate carboxylase. They help to facilitate the conversion of pyruvate to acetyl-CoA and the replenishment of the TCA cycle. Question: what is the relationship between pyruvate metabolism and the TCA cycle? Answer: pyruvate metabolism is closely linked to the TCA cycle, as pyruvate is converted to acetyl-CoA, which enters the TCA cycle to generate energy. Additionally, the TCA cycle intermediates can also be used to replenish the TCA cycle through gluconeogenesis via pyruvate carboxylase. Question: what is the difference between pyruvate dehydrogenase and lactic acid dehydrogenase? Answer: pyruvate dehydrogenase converts pyruvate to acetyl-CoA, which enters the TCA cycle, while lactic acid dehydrogenase converts lactic acid to pyruvate. Pyruvate dehydrogenase is involved in the aerobic metabolism, while lactic acid dehydrogenase is involved in the anaerobic metabolism. Question: what is the relationship between pyruvate metabolism and gluconeogenesis? Answer: pyruvate metabolism is closely linked to gluconeogenesis, as pyruvate carboxylase plays a key role in converting pyruvate to oxaloacetate, which can then be used to generate glucose through gluconeogenesis. Additionally, pyruvate can also be converted to acetyl-CoA, which can be used to generate glucose through gluconeogenesis. Question: how does pyruvate metabolism differ between aerobic and anaerobic conditions? Answer: in aerobic conditions, pyruvate is converted to acetyl-CoA and enters the TCA cycle to generate energy. In contrast, in anaerobic conditions, pyruvate is converted to lactic acid by lactic acid dehydrogenase, which results in less energy being produced. Question: how does alanine aminotransferase play a role in pyruvate metabolism? Answer: alanine aminotransferase plays a role in the transport of amino groups to the liver from muscle. This process is important in maintaining a balance of amino acids in the body and can also regulate the level of pyruvate in the liver. Question: how does pyruvate metabolism differ in RBCs, WBCs, kidney, medulla, lens, testes, and cornea? Answer: in RBCs, WBCs, kidney, medulla, lens, testes, and cornea, the lactic acid dehydrogenase pathway is the major source of energy production. This is due to the fact that these tissues or cells do not have enough oxygen to support the TCA cycle and therefore rely on anaerobic metabolism to generate energy.
Thank you for watching our Q&A format video. We hope this helped you learn, review, and retain knowledge needed for the USMLEs. For more information on this topic, check out the link in the description. Now, if you want to take your USMLE prep to the next level, be sure to check out all our courses, which are structured to follow along with the first aid for the USMLE Step 1 book. You can find us at usmleqa.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe.